This is Frank Kontesky here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2021 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard. This boat has the horizon hull side coloring with white gel stripe. It has black canvas, so you'll have a black canvas on the aft curtain there. You'll also have a bow and cockpit cover. White Mercury 250 Verados. I'll let Peter step up in front of me. We do have all the courtesy lights on, the blue LED lighting on. Boat looks amazing at night. Gives you enough visibility to kind of walk around, not trip over anything, but also not too harsh on your eyes with the blue colors. You have the stone interior, that is a gray interior with a darker gray lining. This boat also has the sea deck walkthrough in the cockpit and up to the bow. What's great about the 320 is they took the galley out of the cabin, brought it up top here, so when you're grilling, open air. You also have a sink here and a nice pull-out fridge. Up at the helm area, you can see 12-inch Simrad displays, twin screens, Fusion stereo system, all your halo switching here, windlass controls and other controls as well. So right here is a good shot. We got our joystick, digital throttle, and you can also see that this boat does have the Cockpit Air System. We'll go down below first before we go to the bow. So as Pete steps down, you can see right now we have the forward berth in a down position. This will raise up for a table if you do want to eat inside. We'll do a shot back to the aft berth. Those two beds are twins right now, but they can come together and almost be a full king. You do have a nice little microwave and another fridge down here below. And finally, a really nice head. Easy to walk in and out. I'm about 5'6" and I have plenty of head clearance. As we make our way up to the bow, this is where Sea Ray really changed up the Sundancer line. They made it more of a crossover boat. Headrests up here and armrests as well. Enough for 3 forward-facing adults to sit. You do have cup holders and another Fusion stereo remote up here. That way you don't have to step back to the helm to control the boat. And then finally you have your windlass. Especially in the Barnegat Bay, you don't have to deal with the muck and throwing the anchor. Easy up and down through the controls. So as we walk back, you'll get a good shot here of the boat. So again, this is a 2021 Sea Ray 32 Sundancer Outboard with triple 250 Mercuries. My name's Frank Kontesky. Come by anytime to check it out. Thank you.